Okay, in this video I want to quickly go over the curves. So when we are working with the curves, I'm going to first start, I'm going to open up my layers so we can see what's happening. I have my layer of my image. And we could say that the curves are very similar to the layers, but we have a lot more, the curves are very similar to the levels, but we have a lot more control over what it is that we want to change. So in order to access the curves, we can come on in to our layer, and underneath I'm going to do an adjustment layer. We can just hit the curves. Now when this happens, what we can see is that we have this image, this graph, with a curve that's showing us the distribution of the value. So I could come in just like I do with my levels, and I can reset the white point and the black point, which I'm not really even that wild about. I don't even know if I would actually do that. But what I really want to do is I can come in and see where the value is in the middle values, and I can readjust this. So I can add this point right onto here, and I could say as I come into this middle value, I would like to lighten some of these middle values. So there we have it. I can turn it on. There it is, on and off, on and off. All right, so that is the story with the curves. We have more control. So let's say if I come in right in here, I can say, okay, I'm going to choose these values right in here and start to work with that particular value. And come down in here and say I want to lighten this value in here. And again, turn it off and on, off and on. Now, let's say there's one of the changes that I don't like. I can just grab and drop that off, and there we have it. And a quick and easy overview of the curves. Again, this was an adjustment layer, so it came right in over top of the layer. Thanks so much.